My coworker and I make the same salary, so why does he take home more than I do? If you've ever had that thought, today's video is going to help clear it up. There are two numbers that matter here, and it's easy to confuse them. The first is your tax liability. That's the total tax you owe on your income for the year. It's calculated based on your taxable income, your filing status, and the tax brackets. It's what the IRS says you owe before anything else gets factored in. The second is your refund or balance due. Throughout the year, you've had taxes withheld from your paychecks or you've made estimated payments. Your refund or balance due is just the difference between what you've already paid in and what your actual liability turned out to be. If you overpaid, you get a refund. If you underpaid, you have a balance due. It's simple as that. So back to that coworker. Let's say you both earn $70,000 a year, have no other income, take the standard deduction, and file as single. Assuming nothing else is different, your tax liability is identical. But he went into his HR system and adjusted his W-4 to withhold less from each paycheck. He takes home more every 2 weeks. At filing time, he'll get a smaller refund, or he might owe a little bit. But his actual tax is the same as yours. He just chose to keep more of his money throughout the year instead of handing it over up front. Here's a good way to think about refunds. Let's say you and a friend both buy the same candy bar for $3. You paid with a $10 bill, and your friend paid with a $5 bill. You got more change back, but you didn't get a better deal. You both paid $3 for the candy bar. A big refund just means you handed over more money during the year. The government held it, earned some interest on it, and gave it back to you at filing time. And owing at filing time doesn't mean your taxes went up. It just means your withholding was set too low relative to what you actually owed. And if you go too low, you might end up owing an estimated tax penalty due. Check out last week's video if you missed that. But if you like getting a refund, withhold a little more. If you'd rather keep more in each paycheck and manage it yourself, withhold less. Just stay out of penalty territory. Next, tax liability versus your tax bill. Hit like if this clears up something you've wondered about, and drop a comment with any tax terms you want me to break down next Tuesday.